Earthquake in Jamaica.
Yo!
It's earthquake this time.
Yo, man, I'm free! No!
It's earthquake like this yet.
Come on!
Yeah, this one is what it.
Yo, I dance, building a dance.
Building have a drop.
Yo!
Don't see you're supposed to piss up themselves.
Yo, a joke thing. Earthquake is serious.
Jesus. That one there heavy. Yo. Georgia. People. Oh my God.
Me don't want no blood clan come here, so. Yeah, me I tell you, no come here, so.
Jamaica in shock after earthquake.
Nah, this is crazy.
It's earthquake this time.
Yo, man, I'm free! No!
It's earthquake like this yet.
Come on!
Yeah, this one is what it.
Yo, I dance, building a dance.
Building have a drop.
Yo!
I was in the class a while ago charging.
Yeah.
I just feel the whole black star shape. I didn't even know I was going. I run my start run charging. That's it.
Yo, content is black.
This is some bullshit, even. This can feed a whole family. And you're gonna eat this bumper clad thing. With 3 pussy clad thing there. That is some Stephen. We can't support you no more. No. Get the out of the house. Look on the bumper clad plate of egg. How much egg you fry?
6.
6 bumper ass clad pussy bumper blood clad egg. 6 blood clad egg dog. You ever work in a day in a bumper clad life? You name 6 egg. You know what we can feed by 6 egg? Huh? We can make a dinner for people. A big dinner for like a whole family. 6 egg. And how much bumper clad bacon? That come like 100 pieces of pussy clad bacon. And you top it off with 3 bumper clad egg. And you call that breakfast? No. No, this is it. Me not do this no more. No, Stephen, me can't do this no more. Where you done yam the fucking breakfast move out?
My youth, I mean I tell you for a long time, so if you stop it and you're not hear a pussy blood clot. You come like you know no blood clot here. Me tell you something I like that, brother. You fi stop and do it and it come like you not here. You keep on a laugh and I walk me down and I tell me, what? You, me no want hear. And they a laugh and people look at me like say, me a bumbuckler idiot. Me I tell you something stop it and you not here, brother.
What me I do?
Stop from video me from blood clot phone, brother. Bumba wall. You deaf man?
Right, me I say if we really meds the thing certain way, bro, we can do it, dog.
Yo, careful, I don't mean for cut here, you know, dog.
Oh,
The girl just a steer upon me, you know, I feel like she want me, you know. Yeah, man, I feel like she want me because she just a steer upon me every minute, yeah. It's in me, dog. I feel like the girl want me, bro. Like, look how she just a pre out the youth, so. Yo, mama, you just a look for me, so you want me?
yeah, you want me?
Yeah, man, just carry your number, come over here, son, man, how you move, so.
I give my number, but I want to know where you are tonight.
I don't have nothing to do tonight. Forward now.
Alright. Me not have nothing to do tonight, too. Sir, excuse me, who that talk to you? You just come in and jump up in our conversation. Bombard him ugly, man. I'm meant to tell you, girl. No, sir, girl. Man can ugly, but no, sir. You boy, are your friend that? Yeah, man, I'm good, man. But I just saw them youth they stay from a all the time. You see me? I'm just not a style to him. You need to put him on a leash.
I told you from other day that I give you a chicken. I am living in Crossroad here. Link me. Link who? Link who you talk to? I don't want them from you. I don't want to go back a chicken. I don't want them from you. Congratulate pregnant uncle. And your big hole, and your big hole, and your big blood clot hole. You gotta put the phone for me. Them not stop. That big blood clot dead old girl, she not stop coming and skin up her blood clot. I'm gonna look upon the blood clot. I'm tell the girl not put up with upon my blood clot. She still put with upon my pussy clot. Me don't know the girl from nowhere. Salamite girl, don't do that. You're rude. Enough. Get away.